This is MKW Pros 124. They have my dog Tula. And this video is actually for my 1-year YouTube special. I've almost had a YouTube account for 1 year. It is November 13th. And I joined YouTube November 26th, 2009. But it's 2010 right now. Okay. So, I have some treats. So, Tula will want some treats, of course. So, I'll drop this in the linconlog house that I have. So, here are the cups. Every single cup I own is standing. There's some linconlogs. There's a Lego thing. Okay, so there's the linconlog house. So, I'll show you around the cups. These are all the extra cups I had, so I just put that. And I have 5x5 3D domino pyramid. 3D cup pyramid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And then I have this big pyramid in the middle that fell over twice. And the first time it fell over is when like these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups were in there. But then I put this one on and the whole thing fell. Okay, so Tula want a treat? Alright, you sit. Good girl. Okay, you stay. So I'll put this treat in the window. Right there. Okay, so treat is right there. So just get a good view. Release. Oh, she still left part of it. Tula, alright. Come here. Come here. Want this treat? Get him. Okay, here. No. Oh, she almost pushed the cups over with her nose. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Oh, give me your paw. No, not that. This one. There we go. Oh, yay! Good girl. Okay, so now, time for the cups. I have 3 treats. Put one off to the side. You stay. Tula, see this treat? Ready? Okay. Right on top. Okay, so you stay. Sit. Stay. Stay. You stay, girl. Stay. Stay. Release! No. It's up there. You get him. Come on, it's okay. You get him. You get him. Come on, you get him. You get him. Okay, come get this treat. I got another one. Alright. Look at you, still have all these 5x5s standing. No. Oh, you just hit them down. Oh, you're distracting. Okay. Alright, get that treat. Right here. Right on top, right there. There you go. You still looking for him? You gonna crush some of my cups, huh? Alright. Come on. Come out of there. I'll find it when I clean them for you. Okay, so that was it. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe.